Welcome all to Eat, Drink, and Explore with Cece. Today I thought we would do something quick and nutritious. We're making a creamy tomato feta toasted wraps. How many times have we gone to our favorite cafe and had a quick wrap for lunch? And I thought, you know what? Let's put something together and make it a flavor explosion in every bite. And this combines Mediterranean flavors, and it is creamy tomato feta wraps. And then we are going to lather it with some herbs and garlic, cream cheese, and then also use some Kalamata olives and also spread some black tapenade olives on it as well. But I thought, let's make something healthy, something that's tasty and it's full of flavor. And for you fellow foodies, I wanted to tantalize your taste buds with this combination. And just imagine this warm toasted tortilla embraced and with this luscious blend of creamy tomatoes and tangy feta with some black Kalamata olives and some thyme and lemon, all swimming in creaminess from the feta. Oh, can't wait to try it. All right, let me take you through what we're going to need. I always like to use the flavored tortilla shell. So this one happens to be sun-dried tomato. We're going to need about a half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. I sliced up some Kalamata black olives, just a handful, and I've got a tablespoon and a half of black olive tapenade. And this is cream cheese, and I'm using the Philadelphia herb and garlic cream cheese. And you're going to need some fresh tomatoes, baby tomatoes sliced. I would recommend you use these baby ones. Don't use plum tomatoes or beefsteak tomatoes. They're too watery. And then salt and pepper. You're going to need some fresh thyme. And also, you want to salt and pepper your tomatoes ahead of time as well. And we're going to need some lemon zest at the end, and we're going to need a little bit of olive oil just to coat the tortilla before we put it in the oven. So all you really need to do is spread the cream cheese on your tortilla, add your tomatoes to the tortilla shell, and you want to kind of center everything towards the middle because we're going to fold this up into parcels. I do recommend that you take your baby tomatoes and put them face down onto the tortilla shell, and then you want to create an even base. Sprinkle some feta cheese as much as you want. Take some fresh thyme. Very important to use some fresh thyme. It just adds a beautiful zing to the tortilla wrap. And then sprinkle some black olives on top. Just before folding it into a parcel, zest some lemon on it. That lemon zest and the creamy feta blend really well together. And then the salty tartness of the olives just is a divine match. It's a match made in heaven. Fold them up into a parcel. And then you want to put them onto a cookie tray. I always line my cookie trays with parchment paper, just saves on cleanup. Sometimes there is some spillage that comes out depending on how you've wrapped your parcel. On this one, I wanted it to be a little briny and have some saltiness to it, that true Mediterranean taste. So I decided to spread first the tapenade at the bottom, which is the black olive one, and then I mixed it in with the herb and garlic cream cheese, mixed that all in together, and then repeated the process with putting in the tomatoes and the crumbled feta and thyme, and seasoning it with some lemon zest as well. It is a great alternative to the first one, and this is for someone who's truly an olive lover. With the tapenade base, it's just perfect. Give this a try. If you've never tried it before, highly recommend it. So place your tortilla parcels on a parchment-lined cookie tray and then just baste it with a little bit of olive oil on the top and on the sides. It's going to create a beautiful, flavorful toast. And then you could sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on the top of it. and even do a zest of lemon if that's what you'd like. You can also sprinkle a little bit of chili, red pepper flakes on top if you want to add a little bit of heat to the combination. Once this is done, you pop it in the oven and put it in the oven at about 425, and you just want to slightly broil it until it's nice and toasty. One of the things that I like to do is I love to just tap on the shell, and if I hear a tapping noise, it is just perfect to eat. So there you have it, folks. A beautiful, luscious, creamy tomato feta toasted wrap. It is a flavor explosion in every bite. I promise you, you fellow foodies, it is so tantalizing to the taste buds, and it's such a nice surprise to have if you're having a quick lunch with a side salad, or if you have it in your lunchbox and you're eating it on the road or at work or at school. Doesn't matter. It is so yummy and so different, and it is quick and easy. It's a perfect busy weeknight dinner or for lunch, as I had mentioned. The flavor combinations are Mediterranean. It, especially in these winter months, it just gives you that beautiful explosion in your mouth. Super versatile. You can do this with anything, and it's also so satisfying as well. So once again, thank you so much for joining me. Always greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the community, because we are trying to grow this channel and we're looking for more enthusiasts like yourselves to join the community. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day. Ciao for now.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.